Huma Bell u Sebastien. Żewġ irġiel li jagħmlu għall-missjoni ta' ħajjithom li jippromuovu lil Malta u l-għawdex u l-kultura rikka li għandna mat-turisti kollha li jżuru pajjiżna. Il-Ministru tat-Turiżmu
Kif intom alright?
rada l-isforz u ħaddanhom miegħu u minn dakinhar dejjem kienu hemm għalih. Għalhekk illum b'aktar u aktar sforz qed ikomplu jikkulturaw u jgħalmu lit-turist li jżur pajjiżna.
Hello, this is Bill, and that one is Sebastien, and today we will play a Maltese game. No, it's not Bird Box, it's Tiġieġa l-għamja, the blind chicken. Hello? Yes? Let's go play. Okay.
Germany!
Come here. Come.
Okay, now, we're playing a Maltese game. Till now, the best is France. Then we have England. Germany, till now, they're not in.
They're not even ranked, okay?
Why?
So you have to really prove them wrong, okay? Be good. And the game is called the Tiġieġa l-għamja.
The blind chicken.
Oh no, I don't can.
Wait.
It's very...
No. He was playing. Come.
Come.
No, only one.
So we put a blindfold
On
we'll
your
tell
eyes.
you, and then you will try and
Catch us.
That's it, okay?
Wen soll ich finden? Wen?
Explain.
Erzähl.
It's like Bird Box.
Oh, er lacht gerade die ganze Welt über mich.
Look, wait,
Alter.
because he's seeing. Like that. Okay?
Okay?
Ja.
Okay, now find us.
Again, Belle and Sebastien, they told the tourists, they informed the tourists how they should play a typical Maltese game called Tiġieġa l-għamja. Until next time, if you want to see the full video of that guy fooling around for 7 minutes, go on our Facebook. You'll see it there. Bye.